I'm gonna die! At least that's the way it feels for some new and learning drivers who are merging out onto the freeway or interstate for the very first time. They're going super fast and everything is moving quickly. If the acceleration lane is really short, use some of the on-ramp to get your vehicle up to speed. And if there's a semi-truck next to the acceleration lane, always move in behind the semi-truck for the best defensive posturing and to keep everybody safe. As you're coming out on the on-ramp, on the acceleration lane, pick your spot on the highway and aim for that spot. If you have a spot to aim for, it's going to be easier to match the speed of the traffic on the highway. Be sure that you signal early. If there's another vehicle in front of you on the on-ramp and acceleration lane, keep your space, increase your space. That way you're not going to rear end them if they do something goofy and unexpected, like slam on the brakes. Merge out onto the highway and regain your minimum safe distance behind other traffic. For more information, smartdrivetest.com.